Welcome to Canada, everybody.
This is so cool. A wooden cabin in Canada.
One.
Happy New Year, guys. We've decided to kickstart 2020. We have come to one of our favourite countries to travel to. We are currently in Canada. We actually flew in a couple of days ago and we surprised our really good friends in Vancouver.
Ooga booga.
I don't think they saw us coming.
No. And speaking of saw, we went out to Vancouver Island and Jess saw her favourite animal in the world, the orca.
This is my first time seeing them in the wild. Is it coming up on there? Oh, wow. It's so beautiful. And we ended up capturing my reaction the first time I saw them. I cried. And then we ended the year counting down with some backyard fireworks.
3, 2, 1.
But we've now said our goodbyes and flew all the way to Calgary. There we picked up our massive rental car. I think this is the biggest car I've ever driven. And we're actually going to be doing a 9-day road trip here through Alberta, showing you some of the most beautiful spots to see in this province. No road trip in Canada can begin without your Timmies.
Wake up, step into the world outside. The future never looks so bright. Can't you hear it calling us? Let go.
So we've driven just outside of Calgary on the way towards Banff and we've come across a really cool place. We're at a Wolfdog sanctuary, and if you guys didn't know, every breed of dog from Chihuahua to Husky comes from a wolf. So we pretty much have created all these different breeds, and a Wolfdog is the closest breed to a wolf. And unfortunately, a lot of people see it as an exotic animal. They may have watched Game of Thrones, wanted to be a bit of a Jon Snow with their own little wolf dog, and then they realize it's probably a lot more work. This is actually a sanctuary. We're going to go on a bit of like an experience, raise awareness about the different wolf dogs, and yeah, should be a little fun morning.
Oh my gosh, this is like the biggest dog ever. Look at that. Wow.
So
I can see them.
on today's little kind of experience, we're going to go into 2 different enclosures. One is a high content, they call it, so it's like up to 85% wolf, and then the other one is a low content, so about 35% wolf, so it's definitely more dog.
I can see the low content. They look more like huskies. Looks like a wolf.
Personalities and temperaments, so I want to give you guys a little bit.
She liked one.
She just robbed your blind, eh?
She likes my treats.
Hi, Loki.
Look at my hand.
We have both of the doggies here.
This one just loves all my food. That was incredible. We got to get so close to the wolf dogs. Some of them had up to 85% wolf in them. So I don't think we've ever come as close to a wolf before as we have today.
So we're about half an hour outside of Banff, and we've just been greeted with these incredible, almost like gates to beauty. These are the Rocky Mountains, and this is what we're going to be seeing for the next 8 days.
Tossed in like a castaway.
Oh my gosh, they look so cute. Okay, I think we can finally say welcome to Banff. We've just rocked up at the place we're going to be staying the next 2 nights. It's called Storm Mountain Lodge, and we are staying in one of their cabins. So they have a couple of cabins all scattered throughout this forest. They must have had a lot of snowfall, because look how high this snowfall is.
That is
right now.
like almost you engulfed by the snow.
Well, let's check out our cabin.
This looks so cool. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. So it's about half an hour outside of Banff, and it's just tucked away in this forest.
I see firewood.
So we're here in cabin number 3.
This is so cool. A wooden cabin in Canada. It's a perfect way to start a winter holiday here.
So let's give you guys a cabin tour. It's actually super spacious and it's all made out of wood. We have our nice warm cozy bed just here. We've got a light fixture made out of antlers, and we have our own fire, which we need to start that. This is so nice. I just like all the finishings here, the little snowshoes.
And Steve, look outside our window. We're just in a winter wonderland right now. Oh, this is a heater. Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Wow, the snow is so fluffy. Whoop. I just went down to my knees. Our cabin has icicles. We have our onesies on. We're making a fire, and once it's ready, we'll be officially cabin ready for the night.
All right. Do you reckon I'm just going to throw it in the air thing that they've made? See, look, they've made this thing. Just throw it in there.
Oh. Take two.
I don't know what I'm doing.
That kind of looks good.
I want to try to... Oh, I think we've got something going. Okay.
Now that the fire is roaring, you should tell them what happened just yesterday.
Yeah, so yesterday I officially felt the baby move for the first time. So I'm currently almost 20 weeks, so halfway through the pregnancy. And yeah, I was lying down. It was the first day of the year, was it? Or the second day of the year?
Second day of the year.
Second day of the year, and I was lying down in bed, and I've kind of felt like this bubble in my belly that was doing like a somersault. And then I thought it might have been the baby, but then I felt it again last night. So that's kind of cool, because now I can actually feel it. And I can't wait for it to actually start like kicking and punching so Stephen can feel it as well.
Yeah.
But it is the craziest, most surreal feeling ever. Like, it's so hard to explain what it feels like. I even told Stephen it kind of felt like there was like a rat in your belly running around. Is that like mean?
3, 2, 1. Get me from the fire.
You just shake.
Tear off all your skin, give your heart to me. Every single scar is a masterpiece.
How magical is it when it's actually snowing?
It's actually snowing.
There's snow in your hair at the moment. You look cute in snow, I have to say that.
Wild and green, dig your nails into the dirt, then you find the seeds. They're singing, are we there yet? Are we there yet?
I think my favorite bit about this lodge is how it's in this forest and everything is just so tucked away and hidden away. You feel like you're the only cabin here in the middle of nowhere.
We're such Australians amazed by the snow. Like, look at all this, ready? Like, that's a lot, right? That's a lot of snow.
And it's still snowing right now.
My gosh. It's kind of good though, because even though it's snowing, it's only -1. So it's not too cold. But oh my gosh, Steve. Oh my gosh, it's really fun. Okay, this is officially our first time ever driving through proper snow. Can we get out? Luckily we rented a beast of a car. Oh, that's fine.
Hey,
For now.
don't
Still got a half an hour drive back to Banff.
don't jinx us.
Okay, we've decided that if we need to see Banff for the first time in the winter, we need to see it in a good spot. So we've jumped in a gondola and we're heading up to the top of a mountain that we've heard has amazing views of Banff. We weren't sure how lucky we were going to get with the views, but oh my gosh, Banff has delivered. We can see the Rocky Mountains. We can even see a lake all the way out in the distance and the town below. Absolutely breathtaking.
If you guys are looking for something to do, this place is highly recommended. It's so beautiful out here. Even on a day where the weather is being a bit hit and miss, still so beautiful. Alrighty everybody, welcome to the cute little town of Banff. We've just driven in. Now it's just a tiny little village, but there are so many like little restaurants, cafes, shops. You can kind of get lost. It feels like a little holiday village here. And especially because you're in the middle of so many mountains. It's so beautiful.
How cute would it be to get this? And then on the back, it has little bum flaps.
Hey, if you guys were interested, so when you come to Canada to go into a lot of the major national parks, you actually have to pay for like a park pass. It's about 20 bucks a day. They'll get you into the Banff National Park. They'll also get you into Lake Louise and some of the other spots that we're going to be going to on this road trip. And you can pretty much get it as you drive in. There's almost like a toll booth, or you can just head straight in and go to the Banff Visitor Centre and you can just pick it up like we did. You just hang it on your dashboard and then you can just pretty much, go wherever you want, which is fine because I'm happy to pay for entrance because they look after the roads, after the national park, so it definitely goes towards a good cause.
Did you run out? I can bring some more over.
So I think we found the perfect activity to do whilst it's snowing outside in Banff. We've come out to the Grizzly House and they specialise in fondue.
4-course fondue dinner.
So we're pretty much sorted for the next like 3 hours trying to get through all of this.
Oh my gosh.
So they do it a bit differently for your mains when you have your meat. So we've gone for like a seafood platter just here, and this is a 600-degree hot plate.
It's a hot rock.
It's a hot rock. They said they heat this up in a pizza oven.
And it is hot. I can feel it.
Oh. So 2 minutes on each side, 4 minutes in total.
And then they give you a bunch of sauces so you can dip it in after.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that first Canada vlog here in Banff. If you're looking for a cozy place to stay, these cabins we highly recommend. We've loved it, but our road trip here through the Canadian Rockies continues. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit subscribe because we've got some real fun stuff coming your way.
Bye!
See you guys.
We're officially going to be spending the night, I swear, in one of the most iconic hotels in Canada. I feel like I'm standing on top of a fish tank and I can like crack through.